let's dive right into this explainer. Why do we actually self-sabotage, even when we have the absolute best intentions?
Ever desperately want to finish a project, but suddenly you're binge watching Netflix instead? Yeah, we've all been there. To understand this mental tug of war, we look at internal family systems, or IFS. It views the mind as distinct parts. Think of your brain like a literal boardroom. Different characters sit at the table playing super specific roles.
The absolute loudest voices there? Your protectors. They're basically inner bodyguards working crazy overtime to shield you from pain.
First up, the managers. Picture proactive planners with metaphorical clipboards trying to completely prevent distress before it even happens. Their go-to tactics? Managers heavily rely on perfectionism, overthinking, and people-pleasing to make absolutely sure you avoid criticism. But when a manager's plan completely fails, firefighters rush in. They are your reactive rescuers, fighting sudden emotional fires. Their method is pure distraction. Firefighters use impulsive numbing, like doom scrolling, to just instantly shut down any sudden pain. So here's the contrast. Managers are super proactive and preventative, while your firefighters are incredibly reactive, chaotic, and impulsive. Both parts are working exhaustingly hard, which leads to a massive question. What exactly are these bodyguards fiercely protecting? They're desperately guarding your exiles. These are the tender, deeply hidden parts of you, carrying your heaviest past traumas. Exiles are literally frozen in time. They hold intense emotional pain and heavy, burdened beliefs, like feeling totally unlovable. Those extreme self-sabotaging behaviors, they're just desperate attempts by your protectors to keep the exile's pain safely locked away. But there's a real solution to bring harmony back to this chaotic mental boardroom. Time to meet the CEO. In IFS, we call this the self. It's the innate, exceptionally calm, wise leader capable of healing your entire team. The self brings 4 incredible superpowers to the table: total calmness, crystal clear vision, deep compassion, and unwavering confidence. So, how do we actually apply this? How do we let the self finally take the lead in our minds? It completely starts with unblending. That means realizing you aren't your anxiety. It's literally just a part of you. Try practicing this daily. Just acknowledge the active part, step back, and approach it with genuine curiosity instead of judgment. Befriending these parts actually starts with validation. Seriously, just thank your protectors for working so hard to keep you safe. That's the ultimate goal here. When protectors finally trust the self, they relax, allowing your whole internal ecosystem to flourish. Ultimately, your inner critic isn't your enemy at all. It's just a tired bodyguard that desperately needs a break.